Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed already, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journey family. Just click that subscribe button below, as well as that little notification bell beside it, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. So today I am doing Lauren Toyota's Hot for Food Vegan Comfort Classic. I am cooking something out of her cookbook, and since I gave up sweets for Lent, I thought that I would try these Fudgy Brownies. They look so delicious, and I love chocolate, so I'm going to give that a try to see how it turns out. I hope you guys got this. A lot of good stuff in this book. So yeah, so if you like to see that, then stick around and stay tuned. Have everything I need here for the recipe that it called for. I already got everything prepared. She said use a 9-inch pan and use parchment paper, so I did that. She said make a vegan egg. I've done that. Melt some butter. I've done that. And I also have here is some granulated sugar, some cacao powder, some all-purpose flour, the vegan egg, and she uses walnuts, but I am using almonds instead, and some vegan chocolate chips, some sea salt, as well as some vanilla extract. So I have a bowl here, and I'm going to take all of this and mix it up together. Let's move that so I don't get stuff all over my cookbook, because I am clumsy. So we're going to set my little trolley there. So she says to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So she says to sift the ingredients. So let me get out my sifter. So let's sift the dry ingredients, which will be the flour and the cacao powder and the salt. And if you have lumps, just use your spatula, push those out so that you don't have any. And when baking, it's always best to sift for that reason, to get out the lump. So that is all mixed together well. Okay, now she says melt the vegan butter and remove from heat. Add a 1/3 cup of the vegan chocolate chips and stir until they are completely melted. Okay, now we have the vegan butter warmed up. It says to pour in 1/3 of the chocolate chips, so that's half of it, and stir them until they've become melted. So that is done. Add the sugar and the vanilla extract to the butter mixture. So we're adding the sugar. Oh, that smells delicious. And add the vanilla. So whisking that all together. So now we're going to add this wet to the dry. So I like to make a little well always. Everything out of here. I'll set that to the side. So stir that together along with the flax egg. Always clumsy. Now add in the rest of the chocolate chips. Oh, and my oven is ready just in time. Then add in my nuts. And this is a dense mixture, so they're going to be thick and gooey, and they're not going to give a lot of rise like a cake would, because it's thick. This would be good to make some ice cream with, and put chocolate chip chunks in your ice cream like a rocky road with bananas. Okay, I am going to pour this in the pan. And I'm going to spread it out evenly. And if you have nut allergies, I guess, or anything like that, or you don't like nuts, then just leave those out. And the oven is baking at 350 degrees, and it says to bake for 30 minutes until a toothpick is inserted and comes out clean. Okay, I'm putting them in the oven. And I'm going to set my timer for 30 minutes. So there we go. So stay tuned. Okay, it has been the 30 minutes. I'm about to take a toothpick and check and see if they are done. Still got a little bit on there, so I'm going to leave them for about 5 more minutes and go from there. Okay, we're going to try them again. It's been 5 minutes. They should be done. Yeah, pretty much. They're dry. So, I'm going to let you guys see what they look like. I'm going to set them over on the cooling rack, over on the stove, and let them cool for probably 15 minutes before I cut them, and then I'll come back. Okay, I just took the brownies out, and then I picked them up and broke them, so they're broken in half, but that's okay. We're still going to cut them and see what they taste like. Okay, we're going to let that be one little piece. They're not going to cut even because they're broken. And this be a piece. And then I'm going to store these in a airtight container. So let's do a taste test. Looking at them, they are moist in the inside. I should have taken them, put them back in for maybe 3 minutes. Instead of 5. But they're really good. They're chocolatey. Very, very chocolatey. And I think I like them with the almonds rather than the walnuts. I don't think I ever had them with almonds. So they're very good. And they will be even better with some ice cream. So that is it. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell, so that you're notified each and every time I upload a video. So yeah, once again, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.